Industry best practices dictate that HOAs undergo yearly termite inspections and treatments to protect the buildings from termites and to prevent costly damages caused by termites and other wood-destroying organisms. Each year, your termite control expert should provide an inspection report for each building at the very least in the HOA. The report would detail findings of wood-destroying organisms that include dry wood and subterranean termites, as well as any damage that has been caused by the infestations. Annual termite inspection and treatment services are most valuable to HOAs when they include inspections and treatments of the majority of unit interiors. Savvy HOA community managers and HOA board members will have usually prearranged a price for necessary termite treatments before the project begins. This ensures there are no surprise expenses related to the inspections and local treatments in the community. Upon completion of the entire inspection and treatment project, the only remaining issue to address would be the structural damage found at the time of the inspection. Proper planning and prioritizing is key to maximizing productivity and ROI when the time comes to perform a major wood repair in your HOA. Don't treat the termite inspection reports you receive merely as a receipt of inspections done and infestations treated. Your inspection reports act like an MRI of the buildings in your HOA. Provided by the right vendor, termite inspection reports can give you enough detail to be the roadmap you need to adequately prepare for performing repairs in your community. Your termite control professional should provide you with termite inspection reports promptly and with enough details that the reports themselves can be converted into a scope of work from which you can acquire competitive bids. Details of the damage found should include where the damage is located, lumber type damaged, measurements and dimensions of the damage, specific recommended action, cost to perform the recommended action. Know before you hire a termite control company how much detail they will provide in their reports. You are entitled to receive as much information as possible from the inspections performed in your community. Would you be okay with a doctor that refuses to share X-ray or MRI information that would be helpful to prevent major problems in the future? Here are examples of differing levels of detail that may be provided to an HOA by their termite control company. Very poor. Finding: structural damage caused by termite/wood rot. Recommendation: remediate damage. Poor. Finding: fascia and belly band damage caused by termite/wood rot. Recommendation: remediate damage. Average. Finding: fascia 10 feet and belly band 18 feet. Damage caused by termite/wood rot. Recommendation: remediate damage. Better. Finding: fascia 10 feet and belly band 18 feet. Damage caused by termite/wood rot. Recommendation: repair and replace fascia, patch, belly band. Best. Finding: fascia above Unit 3, 10 feet, and belly band adjacent Unit 5, 18 feet. Damage caused by termite/wood rot. Recommendation: repair and replace fascia, X dollars, patch belly band, Y dollars. Notice the difference in detail at each level. As a manager or volunteer community leader, it is imperative that purchasing decisions be made based on complete and total information and with zero ambiguity. Notice that the average vendor provides no information about what their recommended course of action is. Hiring someone with the vague promise that they will just fix it is not enough to meet fiduciary duty. Accurate termite and pest control provides top-level details in their inspection reports and findings. For years, Accurate Termite and Pest Control has been a leader in the level of detail provided to HOAs. Accurate remains one of the few companies who provides an already prepared and detailed scope of work from which a community can acquire apples-to-apples bids for wood repairs. Termite inspection reports are an essential asset that come as part of the purchase of yearly termite control programs. Be sure to set your community up to maximize ROI of your annual termite control program by optimizing the usability of the termite inspection reports you will receive. We are committed to being the #1 provider of convenient and dependable pest control services so you can enjoy home. Call or click for a free consultation. You can reach us at 1-844-GOT-ANTS. For other useful videos about termite control services in your HOA, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook.